Hello friends, in this video we are discussing the Magento 2 live chat extensions. So let's start the tutorial. So this is the live chat extension by the Land of Coder. So you can use this extension and it has you can see with the screenshots that they have the default like his interface, not there is third party, it is like his interface, right? So you can use this extension very well, and just you need to go to the marketplace or add to the cart and just download that extension, right? Next we have the TDO chat. So here you need to, they are going to give you the code, so you need to embed this in the footer, right? If you want me to do that, I will do that. Just give me a second. Get started. Create account. Let's register user by register email. Email Magento developer 993@gmail.com. Password. Website is optional, so let's create free account. Okay, this is like chat box button. So I'm going to English. So where to go? Continue. Company side, it's just me. If you want to take it, you can use this as continue. So continue. So you need JavaScript code, copy, right? So let me go to the Magento store, HTML, sorry, it's Magento new app code. You can use my custom products, view, front end, templates, custom products.html. So I'm going to add it over here, script tag. Okay. So let's run this command and check. Okay. Sudo php bin Magento setup upgrade. So it's upgrading. Deploy. This is done. Let's go to the local host. Magento new Tawk custom products. See, hello. So here you can introduce yourself and sign up for the newsletter, right? So this is coming. See, chat with us. This is TDO we have implemented. Next, we have the live chat. We can use here anyone. You can use the Zendesk, HubSpot, Manager, HubSpot, CRM contacts while chatting. Cleanly, Mailchimp, help desk. What exactly it is? Help desk. Get. You can also use the help desk for this. It is also a good feature. So you can, but one of the most famous, that is Tawk. So we are going to install this extension TWAK Tawk to log in, right? Magento developer. So it will log in. No, the enter is not the password. So you can use this also. Let me create an, let me forget the password. And then login with this server. Don't have the account. Enter email. Magento developer. At the rate name test password. Okay. So sign up. Next. Skip. So here you have copy this clipboard. Go to the where it is. It is here. It's block. Okay. I'll just copy this and go to the custom. I'm just replacing this one with this. Simple. Now we are going to upgrade and the same thing because it is PHTML or maybe sudo. We can upgrade this whether it is coming or not. You can insert in it the footer, any custom extension, but footer that is required so that it is calling at any places. So footer you need to add. Let's check where we are. See, now you will give the new conversation over here, and all the data will come to that. Hello, see, it's open, done. No thanks. It says one user visited. So hello, you can add join. Hello, you can type, and here it will receive, right? So this chat you can also implement for engaging the customers. So this too is the best. You can also use the Zendesk also, right? So I have already implemented TDO and Tawk.to, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. So I hope you will understand how to integrate the chat in Magento 2, right? It's very easy. Just copy the script and add it to the footer section. Thank you so much. Have a good day.